Yeah, again, they're really good. Every question's answered quickly. If it's over email or over the phone, nothing's ever too big or too small for them to handle.
Support's brilliant. I like the little ticket widget you've got in the corner of the screen. It's really easy to get through to customer service, and they're really responsive.
I don't really need much support or much help with it, but whenever I phone up, I'm already speaking to somebody who knows everything about it, and they can pretty much help me there and then, every time.
Oh, that is lovely. The customer support is so nice. We communicate very well, and on a special who is done the onboarding, Alex. I remember his name, Alex. It was amazing. He was very patient with us, teach everything, all time information, very quick answers. There's a full support from the TechMan, full support.
It's very quick. You can simply either go through the help system on TechMan, or you can email them direct, and they tend to come back to you within about 15-20 minutes, either on the emails, or they'll always try and give you a phone call.
Yeah, I speak to the help desk staff a fair amount. They come back to me, they're very knowledgeable, and I've had no issues.